It's a new 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, driver and passenger memory seats, and LED low and high beam headlights. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.